Hello, my name is Alfonso de Anda, and I'm a Mexican illustrator. I do work for the editorial industry, for animation, some work for advertisement, and I also really like to paint murals, make zines, and make comics. Drawing is the pillar of my work. It's one of my preferred routes for communicating, and it's also the way that I document my day-to-day. I really try not fixating too much on little details of my work and instead just explore and focus on just drawing. And this allows me to surprise myself more often and just keep evolving as an artist. One of the most useful tools that I have found to develop new ideas and explore is the sketchbook. I really enjoy sitting in front of pieces of paper for hours because at the end of the day, it's really nice to have actual drawings that I can touch, and it's also a great documentation of the work that I've done. As illustrators, it's really important to be committed and disciplined, but also not taking it too seriously to not lose the fun. In this Domestika course, we're going to work on developing a habit of drawing every day. As a final project, you're going to be drawing 30 days in a row in the sketchbook of your preference. First, I'm going to show you some different sketchbooks and drawing utensils. Then, I'm going to share with you some ideas that have helped me grow as an artist, and I'm going to show you my current setup for sketchbook work. We're going to have different weekly assignments for our working month. In week 1, we're going to focus on drawing people and environments. On the second week, we're going to be drawing inanimate objects. On the third week, we're going to be drawing from our imagination, and then on the fourth week, we'll dedicate ourselves to narrative. Once we finish, we're going to revisit our drawings to see what we think it's working and what we think it's not working. Finally, I'm going to show you how I do little edits to my sketchbook work on the computer before putting them up on the internet. Also, we're going to be looking at examples of how simple, mindless sketchbook doodles can turn into actual projects. By the end of this course, you'll have a better understanding of what type of drawing habit works for you and allows you to grow and evolve as an artist. For this course, you don't need any specific knowledge, just commitment to drawing every day for 1 hour. Also, you're going to need a sketchbook and your favorite drawing tools. This course is for anybody with an interest in drawing and improving their practice. Develop the habit of drawing and get better at it one day at a time.